going on, YouTube fans? Steven here over Renegade Hot Rods today. Sunday, we are gonna get working on the American Mobile again. We got the LS1 and T56 Magnum mated from American Powertrain. It's all together. Got the TSP, which is Texas Speed and Performance heads, cam all ready. The motor is ready to go back into the American Mobile. So in order to do those things, you need a couple very important keys to the pie, which is that pizza pie right there, okay? And then we got something else we need before we start. That's how we get the party started. Oh yeah. Action. You want it back away? So there's the old ECM, fuse block, got the old OBD2 port, check engine light which is built in. We're going to replace all of this with the Holley ECM. So that's coming out now. And then on this side, on the engine side of things, we have it all disconnected here, all your terminals, literally right to there, to the into the firewall. We're going to take that, clean that hole up, and we're going to mount it over there. So we got the firewall cleaned up, a little bit of, just touched it up with some paint. And now we're gonna pull out the slave cylinder, which is down there. I just unbolted it, so we're gonna get that out right now. So there we go, got the old slave cylinder, got the new slave cylinder for the clutch. Obviously, you know, we have a replacement, but the big difference here is that this one has the press-on fitting and this one has the hardline fitting for the T56 Magnum. So this is going to make the installation a lot easier. So let's get the new one in. Let it rip, Tater Chip. Hammer down. Hammer down, America. When in doubt, saw it out. That's right. It's a nice hole you got there.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Steven here. It's late Sunday night, it's about midnight here. We've been here since 3 o'clock. We have beer, we have pizza, and we have the LS1 with the T56 Magnum from American Powertrain back in the car. So we're gonna go over here, I'll show you guys quickly before we wrap up tonight where we stand. We have the hooker headers installed. We got the trans mount installed. We cleaned up the firewall, a little bit of paint, looking good. We have the Holley HP wiring harness laid in there, started hooking some of that up. Starter's back on, so we're getting there. That's gonna be it for this video tonight. If you haven't, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on all the videos. We pick randomly somebody to win some officially licensed LSX gear. So if you want to be in on that, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment on the video. Every new video, we pick a winner. All right, this is Steven signing off with the American Mobile, getting back to working. Peace.